Location natin ngayon is municipality of Lebak Sultan Kudarat. So galing tayo sa Kalamansig at itong direction na to papunta ito sa Cotabato City. Yan po yung rotunda ng Lebak na mayroong bubong I love Lebak. So kung mag left turn ka doon guys, yan po yung daan papunta doon sa public market. So diretso lang tayo, pupunta tayo doon sa Cotabato City. So sa araw na to ay papasadahan natin itong Lebak Upi Cotabato Road na nagdurugtong mula dito sa municipality of Lebak papunta doon sa Cotabato City. Sa ruta na to ay madadaanan natin ang mga municipality ng South Upi, Upi, and mag-exit po tayo doon sa junction ng Tenorio Awang, Datu, Odin, Sinsuat. So sa video na to ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang status ng daan, kung safe ba itong gamitin sa lahat ng uri ng sasakyan, at ipapakita ko din sa inyo ang mga magagandang tanawin na ating madadaanan.
I'm trying to let go of this heartache. It's been following me around. It wakes me up, it shoots me down. At this point I would rather be numb. I'm sick and tired of emotions. They've never done me any good, just tore me up into bits. I wish I knew how to call it quits. I should know by now how to live without her. I'm in the dark. When I make my way I stumble and I fall. I'm a blind man without his cane. I'm the ocean without the waves. The radio's playing songs telling me that I should try to move on. Don't say how it bothers me. I guess I'll have to try anyway. Try to let her go.
Laki ng kalabaw guys, oh. Part pa rin ito ng Lebak.
I've always liked to be a stranger. Keep my distance from the crowd. Thought that way I wouldn't get hurt. But when I met her it became a blur. She took my principles and turned them upside down. I had never felt that way, but what's to say? Sometimes good things end. But I didn't think that it would be this hard for a heart to mend. Cause I should know by now how to live without.
Thank you for visiting Lebak and be back. Ito na po yung highway boundary ng Sultan Kudarat and Maguindanao del Sur.
I see you running out of reason. Don't try to blame it on the seasons. Why you wanna walk away? When we began, swear we had something that would last. Baby, has the feeling passed? Falling in was easy. How do I make it stay? I will never let go of you. Tried and true. Oh, I'll never let go of you.
Alright, dito na tayo sa bayan ng South Upi, Maguindanao del Sur.
The thing about giving your heart away is hoping love will never die. But life unfolds in the strangest ways, and sometimes you just can't keep love alive. But I've tried, and I've tried, but I just can't drink you off my mind. Since you left me, things have been so heavy. I just cry, 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 cry. If you want to take the best of me, I won't stop you if you try. Why not take the rest of me? 'Cause all that's left are just these crying eyes. And I've tried, and I've tried, but I just can't drink you off my mind. Since you left me, things have been so heavy. I just cry, 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 cry. The winds of change someday might bring you back to see the remnants of the man that you once had. But if you look beyond the smile and the way, it's just a bunch of space I tried to use to fill your place. And I've tried, and I've tried, but I just can't drink you off my mind. Since you left me, things have been so heavy. I just cry, 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 cry.
Dito na tayo sa bayan ng Upi, Maguindanao del Norte. Ito yung rotonda ng Upi. So diretso lang tayo guys, at papunta tayo doon sa Cotabato City.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you.
Medyo may kalamaan na tong kalsada nila guys, at mayroon mga portion na kailangan na talagang palitan. Ayan no. Thank you for visiting municipality of Upi, Maguindanao del Norte. Recap lang po ng ating biyahe ngayong araw. Mula doon sa municipality of Lebak hanggang dito sa South Upi ay konkreto po yung daan dyan guys. Tapos mula naman sa South Upi hanggang dito sa boundary ng Maguindanao del Norte and Cotabato City ay konkreto din po yung daan dyan. May mga portion lang na nasisira na po yung bahagi ng konkretong kalsada. At maraming portion dyan na malalim po yung mga lubak-lubak dahil sa sirang bahagi ng kalsada. So sa kabuuan guys ay maganda pa rin itong alternative road na ito para sa ating mga biyaheros na babiyahe mula at papunta sa mga municipality ng Calamansig, Lebak, South Opi, and Opi papunta dito sa Cotabato City. Approaching tayo dito sa junction ng Tenorio Awang, Datu, Odin, Sinsuat. Na kung saan kung mag-right turn ka, yan po yung daan papunta doon sa Datu, Odin, Sinsuat, papunta doon sa Esperanza and Isulan, papunta doon sa General Santos City. Left turn na po tayo dito at papunta tayo doon sa Cotabato City. So nakita nyo na po ang status ng daan mula doon sa Lebak Sultan Kudarat hanggang dito sa Cotabato City. Kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to ay huwag kalimutang mag-like, comment and share para mas marami pang makapanood sa video na ito. At huwag din kalimutang mag-follow and subscribe sa ating Facebook page at YouTube channel para updated ka sa lahat ng videos uploads ko. Hanggang sa muli, daghang salamat po!